Hello guys, this is Player Guy 1 here, and I'm doing the review of the Little Blue Tank Engine from the Railway Series book, James the Red Engine. Now, you've been thinking like, why did you make this custom? Well, I was bored and I decided that I should paint this engine. This was from the 2012 TrackMaster Thomas. It came out with a CGI face and with the flat tech drive unit, you can see right there. And I repainted the whole body with light blue, which is kind of similar to the Playrail Thomas / Tommy Thomas I have. So yeah, I don't know what his basis is, his / her basis is. It's probably he. Can't remember, because I've never heard any of the videos from the Railway series for a while. So yeah, here's some whistle details I did at the back. You can see right there. You can see, and also did the white buffers. When I tested him this morning, he wasn't running good. That's because he was laying in my room in the closet for such a while. It was like 3 years? 2 years? I think it was 2 to 3 years. He was laying in my closet for 2 to 3 years, but luckily, he can still run. Let's go to the layout and let him run. We're at the railway, and here comes his run. Up the hill. I have to say that is a great hill climb. A great hill climb indeed. So YouTubers, there it is, the custom review of the Little Blue Tank Engine from the Railway Series book, James the Red Engine. Now, I think I've done this Thomas in 2014 or 2013. I don't remember. But I remember doing this. Like I said earlier in this video, I was bored and decided to do this out from the TrackMaster Thomas. To say I did incredibly good with this. That'll be nice. Yeah. This engine still runs pretty good after been sitting for such a long time. So yeah. I think the part the story Troubles with Trucks, or the American title, I think it was Foolish Freight Cars, is where this tank engine shunted James's trucks so that James can be all set with this work, and the Little Blue Tank Engine teased him and he ran away laughing. But we'll never know what happened to him. I don't know. Was he treated bad with James, so he's sent back to the mainland? I don't know. Anyways, in the TV series, his role was replaced by Thomas. So that's why he did not appear in the TV series. To say, you really just suit him. I did some black wheels. So that this is not Thomas. Also, you can tell by the wheel arches. See the light? The wheel arches? I think they're called. And the black wheels. Also to the black underneath. And the white running blade. So yeah. This has been a custom review. This is Player Guy 1 here saying thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Why do you love pulling coaches, James? That's because I'm a splendid red engine. Anyways, this is the end of Player Guy 1's video. Oh, sorry. Sorry, narrator. I'm not narrator. I'm me, Player Guy 1. Sorry. Anyways, I'm the little blue tank engine saying thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.